Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn page admin permissions safely step by step clearly. To restore your LinkedIn page admin permissions safely, begin by logging into your link. Navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. Locate the work icon, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the work icon to drop down the menu. Select Create a Company Page or Manage next to your existing company page under the similar options. If you have lost admin access, look for the company in which you are an admin. Visit the company page and scroll down to the Admin Tools section. Click on Manage Admins from the drop-down options. You will see a list of current admins on the page. Identify the admin role you wish to restore or the admin account to check if it is still listed. If your name is not listed, you will need to reach out to an existing admin for help. Contact them through LinkedIn direct messaging or another professional method. Request that they add you back as an admin. Make sure to explain your situation clearly to ease the process. If you are the sole owner, use the Claim This Page option to verify ownership. Follow the prompts for verification, as LinkedIn requires this to reinstate your permissions. Once you gain admin access, be sure to review your page settings. Check if any other admins are incorrectly marked or if permissions need adjustment. Update any outdated information or roles to ensure proper management in the future. Consider adding a backup admin to prevent similar issues in the future. Always ensure your personal profile is linked appropriately to the company page. Log out and back in to verify that your admin permissions are restored. Regularly check your admin status to avoid losing access again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.